on, y'all? It's your boy LQ4. In today's video, we going back to the list, knocking something else off. Gonna get ready to change out. Yep, you guessed it. The headlight upgrade to none other than LED headlights. Let's get the video started.
I be looking good. I be gripping brain, nigga. I be gripping wood. Okay. Hey. My seven. I'm gripping in my seven. Okay. I'm flossing in my seven. I'm riding in my seven.
Alright, so as you can see, I already started doing the bezel. Taking the bezel off, you know, I wasn't planning on doing like no how-to. But just basically 5 screws holding on the bezel on the Cutlass. After that, I want to say it's just 2 screws holding in the actual headlight, or 4 screws actually. 4 screws that hold it into the housing. Take the old one out, put the new one in. Should be pretty straightforward. On the level of difficulty, I would say this is about a 1. So that's y'all know how I did it last time. I just showed y'all the comparison. Then we took it to the job, or drove it to work with the box Chevy. But for the Cutlass, you know, I do the same thing for y'all. And we'll get these swapped out. Take that thing up to the job. I gotta close tonight anyway, so why not, right? Notice how they look beforehand. You know, the usual yellow and light. I'm saying nothing special. I mean, they work. But you know, I'm trying to bring it up to the 21st century. All right, so we got the old one popped out. I got the new one plugged in. You know, before we attach it all together, I was gonna test it, make sure it worked. Let's see here. Boom, hit the lights. Okay. So looks like that one's working, this one's not. I see the issue. See the black wire over here? That's a crown. See the wire right there? That black on that side is actually a red on that side. So, yeah, that's gonna be an issue. Easy fix though. We'll just get our little pick. Switch the terminals around and good to go. Y'all give me a sec. All right, so got that switched around. Now the black is on the black, red is on the red. So over here, get the switch again, and we got action. There's little things like that that will be a showstopper. Oh yeah, that's bright, bro. That's bright. All right then, let me get it installed. All right, now for this next part, I kind of already came prepared. So let me turn this on and show you what we got first. So yeah, boom, headlights. You already see the difference. LED on this side, fucking regular ass bulb on that side. Big difference. So, all the smoke. Now for the high beams, they're a little bit different. The stock regular bulb is like this, 3-prong for the low beam, and then for the high beam, it's actually this 2-prong here. As you can see, the stock, you know, so it's only a power and a ground. When you hit the switch, course, the ground is there, and then it also puts power over to that one there. So as I anticipated this from, you know, seeing other people's videos, shout out to Swaps and stuff, I seen his video and everything, I went ahead and I ordered a pigtail that would fit the light. And pretty much what I'm going to have to do is I'll splice the red and the yellow together and the black together, and then both of them will have full beam just like this. Okay, so let me get this wired up and then I'll show you what it'll be like fresh. Okay, after further review and looking at the schematics for this light, this is the low beam here, or the high beam, I don't know, something like that. Anyway, these two wires just straight across from each other should just trigger the whole light, which is exactly what we want. In which the case, we don't even need to even use this extra, because you don't need an extra, what's the word I'm looking for? You don't need an extra fucking wire, you know what I'm saying? So let's see what happens. Alright, so I got headlights on. That one's on, that one's off. So then you hit that high beam. And then boom, hit the high beam. Okay, so that one's fully illuminated. Oh, I see. That one drops down. So yeah, even though you gain that one, you lose. I mean, you lose some of that one, but I mean, shit, it's still brighter than that shit. And you gain that inside bulb. So I'ma just do it like that. I mean, honestly, shit is still bright enough to do it. Shit. Yeah. See, that's both beams on that side. It's not nowhere near as bright as this side, and this side ain't even got both of them facing forward. So. Both high beams on that side, one half of the fucking LEDs on this fucking side. So you do the math, people. So, one last time, I'm gonna show you the comparison. Man, got the LEDs on this side, regular on that side. And we got the wall to be our reference point. So, headlights on. That's low beam, headlights on low beam. Da-da-da-da. Old busted, new hotness, right? Then hit the high beam. It gets even more serious. Like I said, you do lose that little half, but it is what it is. I mean, I'm not tripping. It's still brighter. Even with that half, they probably did it because it was probably fucking overkill. But yeah, boom. Oh, that's two beams versus fucking 1.5 LEDs, and already the fucking LED is killing it. So, all right, so there go the full view. LEDs all the way through. Yes, sir. Got a new attitude, y'all. James Brown. Try me. Alright, so she ready for the night. Alright, so just picked up a couple other things, man. Some stuff to get our wires heat shrink looking better and good when we get off into that. So picked up a brake pedal. Same one that we picked up for the box Chevy. This one it was in dire need of one. As you can see, it was missing all the way. So get that, throw it on there. And what else? I don't know. I think that's it for now. All right, let me get ready for work tonight. So I shot from the hip and I missed. I ain't even look it up, man. This is way too big. That shit is way too big. Like, see how? You see the difference there? That shit way too big. So when we go to work today, we'll see if they got one, get it ordered or whatever, and go from there. So yes, sir. All right, so leaving from work, LEDs on, brighter than I don't know what. Got the HP tuner set up, doing some logging. LED bright as shit. See what the hot beams look like. So like I said, even though you lose half of that other one, it's still bright as shit. Go on, cruise to the house. So that'll wrap up this video. Remember, identify your weaknesses, make it your strength. Life is all about choice, to choose wisely and productivity over procrastination. Yes, sir.